Halo guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Jadi ini adalah hari ke-12 gue staying di Bandung with my family. Dan gue tuh dapat informasi kalau misalkan IKEA buka cabang baru di Kota Baru Parayangan. Jadi kayak mereka tuh baru buka sekitar tanggal 28 Maret. Jadi masih brand new banget, masih belum sampai 2 bulan. Dan ya, dan ini juga pertama kalinya gue kunjungin IKEA. Jadi gue penasaran banget how it looks like, dan kebetulan juga nggak terlalu jauh dari rumah gue, paling sekitar 20 menitan. Jadi let's go, kita cek.
So it's actually only about 40 minutes after they've opened and the parking lot's already getting pretty full. You can't come to IKEA without getting one of the an online registration, basically QR code. So you have to register online before you come here. And I'm assuming that's all because of COVID, and they're limiting how many people can come into the store at one time. So there's 4 different time slots: 9 a.m. to noon, noon to 3, 3 to 6, and 6 to 9. And at 9 p.m. they close.
So excited. By the way, gue kesini sama 2 bodyguard gue. Adik gue Brian, say hi.
Hi.
And my bodyguard everywhere, Alexander White.
Bodyguard. He's the bodyguard. I'm the boyfriend.
Everything is automatically. So I need to scan the barcode here, like that.
Okay.
And then you get the sticker.
Makasih.
Setelah kita masuk ke entrance, mereka kasih kita 3 stiker gitu. Setiap slot dikasih stiker, dan setiap slot tuh punya stiker yang berbeda. Jadi kita harus tepat waktu masuk dan keluar juga. Welcome to my kingdom.
This place is so big. It's got an upper level, a ground level, and a basement level as well. You can get lost in here.
Hi guys, I'm editing my vlog. Do you wanna see? Come. To be honest, ini tuh sibuk, bukan sibuk ya, udah sih rame banget, karena ekspektasi gue tuh nggak nyampe 1000, karena kan lu harus butuh reservasi gitu kan, dan kapasitasnya setahu gue 1000. Do you think it's more than 1,000?
I think it's like 600-700 people.
Oh, itunya tulisannya.
Pretty much they're all designed the same way. You know, they have the same decoration sections, kitchen sections, home. It's all very similar, which is good. Baby.
Yes.
You have time for me?
Oh my god, never. One thing that I noticed about IKEA is that IKEA tuh jauh lebih murah dibanding toko-toko lain yang pernah gue kunjungin. Jadi I think it is really reasonable why people come here a lot. Do you think I'm so girly?
Girly. You're so cheesy. What?
It looks like cafeteria.
It's because it pretty much is. Let me explain what happened. Security is overwhelmed with power here at IKEA, and they do not want anybody filming with a vlog camera, but they're okay with us filming with an iPhone camera, which is absolutely just doesn't make any sense to me. But we're gonna keep this camera hidden. But we've just gotten some breakfast, or lunch I guess. Got some Swedish meatballs, some fish and chips. Everything is really well priced, pretty affordable. How much was everything cost?
Like 246.
246K for everything. It's been and drinks included. So we everything is really marked very well with prices. So too well. So we're gonna try some of the food here real quick. Nice.
Ooh, they have cranberry.
What do you think?
This reminds me of my time in America.
Yay!
I used to eat this a lot.
Awesome. Coca-Cola is not the sponsor.
Okay, whatever. Let's do it like this.
Yeah.
What do you think?
What is it? Fish?
Fish and chip.
Do they have cheese?
Yep.
Cheese. They have mozzarella cheese in
Mozzarella
it.
cheese.
Oh, this is
Mozzarella.
really interesting. And then the portion is pretty big. They also give one
Lemon.
slice of lemon. So, yeah. Wow, IKEA.
Yum.
What do you think?
Reminds me of home.
Reminds you of me.
Yeah. The potatoes taste different though. But yeah, this brings me back to America.
Food was really great. I really enjoyed IKEA's food. Yeah, maybe I'll come back just for food here. Jadi barusan dapat informasi kalau misal section kita cuma bisa stay di sini sampai another 1 hour. Jadi setelah itu kita harus pergi diganti lagi sama section selanjutnya. Entah warna stikernya bakal jadi apa, tapi yang jelas stikernya bakal berubah warna.
4K for ice cream.
6K for ice cream, let's go.
4K ice cream cone.
Sebelum kita balik, kita mau beli dulu ice cream IKEA. Ini vegan, that's why I'm interested.
How much?
6K.
Sea saltnya ini cuy.
Sea salt. Babe, sea salt, sea salt.
Is it working?
Yeah.
Where is it? Jadi kita coba bayar koin doang, dikasih koin 1, harga 6.000. Terus nanti ini ditukerin buat jadi ice cream dan kita harus ngambil sendiri ice creamnya. So let's just do it. Wow, impressive. It's like my case color.
It is.
This is really good.
Really?
I
For
swear.
6K?
This is really good. I can't believe this is vegan ice cream, but it tastes really sweet and so creamy. And it matched my color with my case. You know, it tastes like a little bit like cheesecake
Cheesecake.
and wafer.
Let me taste it. Oh wow, that is really good. Wow. It tastes like cake.
Yeah, cheesecake.
So good. So creamy.
6K. I'm coming back tomorrow. I'm gonna register tonight.
Thumbnail.
Jadi guys, barcode yang tadi kalian bawa, yang kalian scan tadi untuk pertama masuk, jangan dibuang karena pas kalian check out, kalian juga bakal disuruh buat barcode lagi sebagai tanda kalau kalian udah check out. It was such a beautiful day. Gue gak regret karena gue udah spend time di IKEA selama kurang lebih 3 jam atau 2 jam. Barang-barangnya murah, baik orang, makanannya the best, ice creamnya the best. Thank you so much guys for watching my vlog. If you have any comment, if you have any questions, you can write below or also bisa chat di Instagram gue. Atau kalau kalian punya suggestion apa vlog yang bakal gue buat selanjutnya, kalian juga bisa let me know. Dan jangan lupa subscribe, jangan lupa like, dan jangan lupa share. Thank you. Bye-bye.